Hello everyone! Gluten-free diets are getting really popular. It's great to see so many people exploring these delicious and healthy options. One of my favorite kitchen tools is the air fryer. It makes cooking so easy and fast. Plus, food gets so crispy in the air fryer. It's perfect for gluten-free meals. Today, I'm excited to share some of my favorite gluten-free meal ideas. These recipes are all nut-free and dairy-free too. They are perfect for any day of the week. Let's get cooking. Let's start the day with a delicious and easy breakfast. First up, we have coconut banana muffins. These muffins are so moist and flavorful. They are naturally sweetened with bananas and coconut. To make them, simply mash some ripe bananas. Then mix them with gluten-free flour, coconut milk, and a little bit of maple syrup. Pour the batter into muffin tins and bake until golden. For a savory option, try the spinach and mushroom breakfast wrap. This wrap is packed with protein and veggies. Simply sauté some spinach and mushrooms with garlic. Then, add them to a gluten-free wrap. Top with a plant-based cheese alternative. Warm it up in the microwave or a pan for a satisfying breakfast. Lunch should be easy and satisfying. My roasted vegetable and hummus wrap is perfect for this. Chop up your favorite veggies. Toss them with olive oil and herbs. Roast them in the air fryer until tender. Spread hummus on a gluten-free wrap. Top with the roasted veggies and enjoy. Another great lunch option is the lentil and veggie salad. This salad is packed with protein and fiber. It will keep you full and energized all afternoon. Cook lentils according to package directions. Then toss them with chopped veggies, herbs, and a lemon vinaigrette. It's that simple. For a flavorful and healthy dinner, try my baked lemon herb salmon. This dish is so easy to make in the air fryer. Simply season salmon fillets with lemon juice, herbs, and spices. Then air fry until cooked through. The air fryer gives the salmon a crispy skin and a tender interior. If you're craving something hearty, try the stuffed portobello mushrooms. These mushrooms are incredibly flavorful and satisfying. Remove the stems from portobello mushrooms. Fill them with a mixture of sautéed vegetables, herbs, and plant-based cheese. Bake them in the oven or air fryer until tender. To end our day on a refreshing note, let's make cucumber mint infused water. This drink is so hydrating and flavorful. Simply slice a cucumber and some fresh mint leaves. Add them to a pitcher of water. Let it infuse in the refrigerator for a few hours. It's the perfect healthy and delicious drink. There you have it, some of my favorite gluten-free meal ideas. These recipes are easy to make, delicious and good for you. Remember, eating gluten-free doesn't have to be boring. With a little creativity, you can enjoy flavorful and satisfying meals every day. Enjoy!